Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to create highlights on Instagram. Well, this is easy thing to do. So you have to just open your Instagram here. As you can see here, in the bottom right side corner you will see your profile icon. Tap on it. Once you tap on it, here you will not find any option of highlight. So how we can create it? So here the highlight section is here, but we don't have the highlight section. So if you're also facing this issue, just tap on the top right on the three lines here. Basically, if your account is private, then you won't find anything you can see. So right now I will just make my account public right now here. So guys, once you have made your account public, you have to just go to the home icon here. Now click on this plus icon to create a story. So you have to create a story, right, to add your highlights, just if you're doing it for the first time. So this is just an example to create a story. I will select this image. I will click on arrow icon here. Now I will just click on share, right? So if I just go and share option here, so this is not. If I just go and click share here, I will get an option of add to highlight. So if I just go and select add to highlight, I can just name it. For example, right now I will just write here my pp, and you can also select the image. By the way, you can change it later too. Now here I will just click on add and I will click on done. So once the story is done, here you can see that I've got an option to add a highlight, right? And here the next thing, that if I want to add another highlight, I can also do it just by clicking on this new. So now you can just keep doing this. You can just add new pictures or videos and make your highlight as many as you want. So this is how you can get an option, and this is how you can get or add highlights to your Instagram account. I hope you found this video very useful. Subscribe.